Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now here is a cool Windows feature that actually makes you change your background on Windows 11. So all you need to do is to press the Windows key and then I, and it will take you to this page, the menu or the settings. And you want to go to personalization, then go across to background, and then you will actually see personalize your picture. Click on the arrow, and once you're on that arrow, you're going to choose Windows Spotlight. Now what this does is that each day it actually change your background on the desktop. As you can see, actually changed a while ago, so on a daily basis it actually changed. Now this, I would say, is a cool feature. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. Once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.